Good morning, students. How are you all? I am also fine. Yesterday we have studied of 13.1 surface area of the cube and cuboid. Today we will start exercise 13.2 surface area of cylinder. Let us start. Then, what is cylinder? We have studied about rectangular in previous classes. We know that this one is rectangle, and also know that we can take here length and represented by L, and this one denoted by B, breadth. So if we fold the rectangular shape in shape of cylindrical, then here we fold along breadth. Now we can say this is the radius of cylinder, and this one is circumference of base, and this one is circumference of top. The base and top are identical, and this one is height of cylinder and denoted by h. Now B is changed to h and L is changed in circumference C. Now we know that area of rectangle is equal to L into B unit square. So the area of rectangle will be equal to the curved surface area of cylinder. Then here the curved surface area of cylinder will be 2 pi r h. But why? Here area of rectangle is equal to L. L means this one is C, circumference L. C into B means H, because C is equal to L and H equal to B. C is circumference of base of the cylinder. Now here C is 2 pi r and H is H. Then the area of rectangle is equal to 2 pi RH. Therefore CSA of cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH. Since area of rectangular is equal to CSA of cylinder, because it is formed by this rectangle. Then here we start exercise 13.1. Let us. Question number 1 is the curved surface area of a right circular cylinder of height 14 cm is 88 cm square. Calculate the diameter of base of the cylinder. Then here this one is given cylinder, this one is given cylinder, and height is given, height is 14 cm cut surface area of the right circular cylinder is of height 14 centimeter is 88. CSA is equal to 88 centimeter square. Now we have to find the diameter of the base. Then how to find? Let us. We know that CSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH. Then 2 pi RH is equal to 88 and H is given 14 centimeter. Then we can put H is 14 centimeter. Then 2 pi R into 14 is equal to 88. Now 2 into, we can take pi 22 by 7 into 14 is equal to into R is equal to 88. Then we have to find R. Then R is equal to 88 into, here 7 is divided to 20, then we transport of 7, then this will be multiplied to 88 upon 222 and 14 will be down 2 into 22 into 14. Calculate 22 1s are 22, 22 4s are 88, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 7 cancel to 7. Then this implies that R is equal to 1 centimeter. So diameter of cylinder is equal to double of radius. 2 into 1 is equal to 2 centimeter. Okay. Next question is, a closed cylindrical tank of height 1 meter and base diameter 140 centimeter is required to form a metal sheet. How many square meter of sheet are required to do so? A closed cylindrical tank, it is closed both sides, both ends. Height is given 1 meter and base diameter is given 140 centimeter. Then first of all we have to change all the units in same, all the dimension in same unit, either in meter or in centimeter. Is required to make from a metal sheet. A metal sheet, how many square meter? How many square meter means we have to find the area of the sheet which is required to make the closed cylindrical tank. So closed cylindrical tank, it means this is we have to made closed cylindrical tank. Then we have to find the total surface area of the cylindrical which is required. Then here this one is closed cylindrical tank. There are both circular ends and these are closed. Then we have to include both base in CSA. Closed cylindrical tank height 1 meter. 1 meter. And diameter is given 140 centimeter. Then we have required here radius 140 centimeter means 70 centimeter. Then here is given height in meter and radius in centimeter. So we change to radius in meter also. Then this radius will be 70 upon 100, cancel 0, then 0.7 meter. Then let us H equal to 1 meter r equal to 0.7 meter, then TSA of cylinder is equal to, we know that TSA of cylinder, total surface area of cylinder, will be equal to curved surface area plus area of two circular ends. Then two circular ends area will be pi r square and pi r square, then 2 pi r square will be included in curved surface area. CSA plus area of two circular ends. So TSA is equal to 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square, means pi r square plus pi r square, 2 pi r square. We can take common as 2 pi r, then in bracket here will be remain h and here will be remain r. Then we can put the value of h and r in this formula. 2 into 22 upon 7 into r 0.7 into r plus h 1 plus 0.7. Then calculate this. We divide 0.7 by 7, then this will be 0.1. Then here 22 to the 44 into 0.1, then 4.4 into here 1.7. The calculation of this will be 17 for the 68 carry 6 and 16 for the 68 and 6 74. Again 17 for the 68 carry 6, 16 for the 68 or 6 74, and decimal will be after one digit we have to count 1 2, then 1 2, here will be meter square. So they we have require over 7.48 meter square sheet for make a closed cylindrical tank of height 1 meter and diameter 140 centimeter. Okay. Next question is, a metal pipe is 77 centimeter long. See in figure, this one given figure. The inner diameter of cross section is 4 centimeter and outer diameter of being 4.4 centimeter. Here we observe that there is a thickness of the pipe. Thickness of the pipe means this metal is a thickness of 0.4 centimeter. So the outer surface area and inner surface area will be different. Here first of all we have to find inner cut surface area, then how much paint required to inner cut surface area, and outer cut surface area, it means how much area will be outer side, and total surface area means inner surface area plus outer surface area and plus area of two ends on which we have to paint. Now let us, this one is a cylindrical tank is given, and thickness we can take here. This one is cylindrical. Then first of all the inner diameter is given 4 centimeter. Then we can take here inner radius 2 centimeter, half of diameter, and outer diameter from here to here is 4.4. Then radius will be half of 4.4. Then from center to outer edge will be 2.2 centimeter, because half of 4.4 will be 2.2, and height is given 77 centimeter. Now first of all we have to find the inner cut surface area, means how much paint will be required for inner cut surface area, means inner cut surface area, inner part we have to paint. Now inner cut surface area, then we have to take height 77, radius 2 centimeter, then we can find inner cut surface area. So inner CSC is equal to 2 pi RH. Then we can find 2 into 22 by 7 into R is given 2 centimeter and H is given 77 centimeter. So calculate this 11 times. Then this will be 22 to the 44, 44 to the 88, 88 into 11, 88 into 11, then 880, and this one 88, then this one 8, 6 and 9, 968 centimeter square. Then first part is this, and second one is this outer cut surface area. Now we have to take the radius 2.2, because diameter outer is given 4.4, then here radius will be 2.2 centimeter. Then outer cut surface area will be outer CSC is equal to 2 pi capital letter R H, because R is different here. So 2 into 22 by 7 into R means 2.2 into H 77. Then we calculate this one calculated by 11 times, and here 22 to the 44, 44 into this one 11 to the 22 carry 2, 11 to the 22 or 24 here. Then we multiply 4 to the 8, 4 for the 16, 1 4 to the 8, 1 9, again 8 6 9, check again 4 to the 8, 4 for the 16 carry 1, 4 to the 8 1 9, and this one 8 4 6 and 10, 1 44, this one 24.2, then this will be equal to 106 4.8, because here is one digit after point, so we have to take point before one digit, centimeter square. And total surface area, then third part is TSA, total surface area. For total surface area we have to find the two ends. Then here, because this one was cylinder, and on which part we have to paint, then inner cut surface area, outer cut surface area we have already find, and the end on which we have to paint is this and this. Then we have to find the area of this part and this part, so we can find one of end, and then we can twice of this. Then area of two ends on which have to paint is equal to, and we know that the area of this ring will be area of total circle minus area of inner circle. Area of total circle is pi r square minus area of this circle will be pi small letter r square and into 2 sides. Then here we can take pi as common, then 2 pi, because we can take 2 at first, and r square minus r square, then 2 pi 2 into 22 by 7 into r square means 2.2 whole square minus r square 2 square. Then this one is 2 into 22 by 7 into this one is 22 square, 22 44 4 22 44 or 48 484. Then we have to take decimal before before 2 digit minus 4, and calculation of this will be equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into this will be 0.84. Now 7 1 7, this will be calculated by 0.12. Then 22 to the 44 into 0.12 into 44 to the 88 8 44 1 the 44 or 8 52, then 5.28. Then require TSA of cylinder is equal to first 968 centimeter square plus 1064.8 centimeter square and 5.28 centimeter square. Then add 8 0 9 9 4 13 or 5 18 carry 1 7 6 13 or 0, this one 238.08 centimeter square TSA. Okay, then enough for today. You have to solve in fair notebook. Thank you.